Hi, I'm Amanda Taylor from Wacker Glass. I'm sorry we couldn't do the live streaming today. We were having a few little technical difficulties with YouTube and with our internet. So decided to record this and then upload it. So here we go. So this is the 22nd day of the Toru Arts Virtual Studio Tour. And I'm going to be working on part 3 of the Pate de Verre flower panels. And I just wanted to cover what we did in the previous live streaming. So this is Araya's little ginkgo leaves, and as you can see, I tried a new firing schedule out, so it didn't quite turn out the way I wanted it to, but it was a little test. I have these other pieces that I made yesterday, and they're more like the texture I want. They're not fired quite as high as I'd like them to be, but I'm going to be adding some stringers to these to highlight the ginkgo leaf lines on it. But anyway, so that'll be some other day. So for these, I'm gonna try slumping them for Araya so she can actually use them in her panel that she has over here. So here's her little background panel that she made. So she'll be putting them on that the next time she's here. So I'll put those aside. So what I'm going to do is I was going to show you how I go about putting these pieces onto my panel. And it's a pre-fired panel. So what I do is kind of lay the flowers out and my little components out the way I want them to be, and then I start actually gluing them on. So I'm going to remove that gently, and I'm going to glue them on with silicone 1, and taking a little dab on here, and you don't need very much, and that is going to go onto a little piece here. So we'll put it down, lay it down, get that out of the way, push it down a little bit, and I'm actually going to put the next little round piece on here. Dabaduya, and sticking that on, and then we're going to do the flower parts. So a little dab on that, and that goes onto the panel, and then we stick our next flower on top of that, and so on and so on. So I'll just do a few of these. This is kind of a little short little video today, because really it's not, you don't want to be watching me put all of these little flowers on, but I will show the results of what I've done on the final day of videotaping. So like I said, that's 2 parts put onto the panel, and I will continue going around the whole piece and gluing them down. So to be continued. But anyway, so thanks for joining me today, and check out all the other artists' work on the Toru Arts website. And hopefully we'll see you in a couple days for the next video, which will be landscape powder wafers. So have a great day. I'm Amanda Taylor, Wacker Glass. Thank you for watching.